Hello everyone, welcome to ridhimaacreations. Today we'll see how to create this simple, beginner-friendly watercolor floral wreath. This design uses three basic loose flower patterns which you can use to create a number of flower arrangements. So let's get started. Please subscribe to Ridhima Creations and hit the bell icon to be notified whenever we upload a new video. If you are on Instagram, do follow me at Ridhima Creations, where I post a lot of creative art and craft content. These are the materials that I used. These are listed in the description box as well. I've used a watercolor paper of GSM 300, Camlin watercolor cakes. You can use any watercolor paint set, Camlin brush pen to write my favorite quote inside the floral wreath. This is a round synthetic artist brush in size 8. You'll also need a pencil and a bowl of water. First, I have drawn a rough circle to know how big I want the wreath to be. For the first flower, I'm using a mix of golden yellow and light lemon yellow. I'm diluting it with water and using a very light wash to make a loose 3 or 4 petal flower. While this first layer is still wet, I'm using a brighter color. In this case, I'm using some orange and highlighting the lower ends of the petals. This is called the wet on wet technique. You can see how easily the orange is merging into the yellow and giving it a very natural look. I'm painting few more similar flowers around the wreath. I'm wearing something in each flower, such as the angle of the flower or the gaps between the flowers, the petal sizes, etc. This will give it a more natural look. When you're applying the darker color, you just need to touch the tip of your brush to the already wet paint. The darker color will automatically merge into the lighter color. For the second flower pattern, I've used light blue for the first layer and dark blue as the highlight. This flower has 4 petals and these petals meet at the lower end. The key is to use a light wash of the first layer and highlight the lower end with the darker color. I'll make some more blue flowers all around the wreath. Another variation of this flower you can paint is making the petals meet at the lower end with a darker color. I'm going to do the same with all the flowers. For the third flower pattern, I am mixing some light orange with crimson and applying the first wash. This flower has 4 petals. The circles here are the 4 petals. And for the darker shade, I am just going with crimson and joining all the 4 petals at the center. The crimson will merge into the lighter pink color and give it a very nice effect. I am painting more of these flowers in between the gaps of the yellow and the blue flowers. These smaller flowers serve as filler flowers between the bigger yellow and blue flowers and give a nice contrast color to the wreath. You can play with the way the flowers are placed and the gaps in between and come up with arrangements of your own. I am using a medium shade of green to paint the sepal or calyx of the flowers. Again, this should be diluted. In between the flowers, I am adding some creepers and stems and some leaves on the stalk. I have used the same diluted dark green shade. Use different sizes of leaves to give a very natural effect and create variation. For a shade variation, I am using some light green to make some small leaves around the wreath. As a final step, I am doing some brush lettering using the Camlin brush pen and writing a quote that I love. You can write any wordings or quotes that you are fond of. And our watercolor wreath is complete. I have shared other watercolor tutorials too on my channel. Please do check it out. In case of any queries, do leave a comment below. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook and visit our website www.ridhimaacreationsartandcraft.com for details of latest art and craft workshops and classes we conduct. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.